Hi everybody, welcome to the Paper Wishes blog tour for February 20th, and this week we are featuring the Fantastic Frames and Phrases Dazzle stickers, and this particular one uses the oval Dazzle stickers, which I can show you here. There comes 2 sheets to a package, and they make wonderful shaker cards like this one. And also featured on the blog is this happy birthday balloon shaker card. Really festive. I also use the hot off the press shaker card dies, which comes with a circle, an oval, and this balloon die. Really fun. And then I used the Fantastic Frames and Phrases Dazzle stickers to make this window card. Can see. So check out the blog this week, see some step-by-step photos on how to make these fun cards.